Hello guys, ayan for today's video kayo ay magwi-withdraw sa Pupo. So yun guys, kung makikita nyo ang aking dashboard ay may 155,000 na points. So yan, i-withdraw na natin siya guys. Ayan, click lang natin itong withdraw. Ganito lang guys, kadali mag-withdraw kay Pupo. So yan guys. Ayan, kung makikita nyo may $15 ako. So now, withdraw, kiklik lang natin itong withdraw now kasi na-bind ko na ang aking GCash. So, yan. Withdraw now. Ayan, withdrawal amount ko is $15.52. Ayan, confirm natin. Ayan, succeed. So, yan. Wait na lang natin guys sa aking GCash. Yan, okay? Gustong sa ano pala, sumali. Ayan, PM nyo lang ako guys. Ganun, madali lang to guys. Wala kang puhunan na ilalabas dito guys. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!